Tamil Nadu, where fringe Tamil groups want to put India's tour to Lanka T20 aborted. They want the tour aborted. Protests outside the Chidambaram Stadium in Chennai. You're looking at those pictures. Politics and sport, anti-Lanka stir outside the stadium in Chennai. Protesters disrupted traffic before India's T20 tie with New Zealand. Mainstream Tamil parties have so far been mum on this demand. It's the fringe elements that are trying to take center stage on a very emotive issue. They say the Indian team should not go to Sri Lanka, should not play the World T20 in Sri Lanka. Joining me now for more is Headlines Today's Shumon Ray. Shumon, take us through the protests that happened outside the stadium in Chennai. What were the protesters demanding?
Well, I'm just outside the Chepauk Stadium, and around 200 Tamil activists had come before the Chepauk, the front gate, the gate number 10, which is the VIP gate as well. Around 200 protesters, they were demanding that India should not be playing in Sri Lanka because there are many Tamilians who are, according to them, they are being still killed and atrocities are happening. So and police, they also obstructed the traffic. There was for 15-20 minutes there was traffic disruption before the Chepauk Stadium, and then they wanted to make it as an international issue because they were shouting slogans. They were also saying that Sri Lanka should stop genocides, and they were mostly telling in Tamil language, which I found out the meaning of it, which means that mostly they want that India should not play in Sri Lanka. India should not play in the World 2020 cricket at all. And they were also demanding Sri Lanka, and they were also requesting the other nations to boycott this World Cup. So clearly, this is a protest demonstration which continued for 20 minutes to half an hour, and the issue was clearly against the Sri Lankan government.
And they were peacefully dispersed. The teams are there. They peacefully dispersed. Just fringe elements there.
If you could repeat your question, I couldn't hear you.
Just fringe elements that dispersed peacefully, all well with the game going on properly now? No disruptions there?
No, the game is continuing because the protests were held outside the gate number 10, which is also a VIP gate. But the game is continuing. There is no hassle because they just disrupted the traffic, which was disrupted for 20 to 30 minutes. That's it, and not more than that. So it passed off peacefully. But the police took them away. They arrested around 150 to 200 activists. The police did not take any chance, and because they wanted the match to continue, and also they could not have afforded any kind of disruption of the traffic.
For the moment, Shumon Ray in Chennai, many thanks for joining me.